Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Clarkston air purifiers. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: high efficiency performance. The large room air purifier boasts 3-stage filtration, 360 degrees air intake, and an impressive CADR of 350 square meter per hour, making it ideal for large rooms. The HEPA air purifier effectively captures and eliminates dust, odors, particles, smoke, and pet dander. Air quality monitoring. Equipped with an advanced PM2.5 sensor, the air purifier for pets provides precise PM2.5 level monitor and displays PM2.5 readings. Featuring an air quality indicator in green, yellow, and red, the home air purifier allows you to track your real-time air quality visually. Customizable settings. With 4 adjustable fan speeds and an auto mode that intelligently alters the fan speed based on current air quality, the air purifier for bedroom tailors its performance to meet your specific needs. 2, 4, and 6-hour timer settings for worry-less enjoyment of preset purification. Sleep mode with low noise and light off feature for overnight restful sleep. Versatile for indoor space. Featuring coverage of up to 1950 square feet and a larger air inlet, the large room air purifier is ideal for various room spaces. The air purifier for babies provides optimal refreshing clean air for your living rooms, bedrooms, and kitchens. 12-month satisfaction for confident purchasing. Filter replacement reminder. The HEPA air purifiers for home feature a filter replacement reminder that illuminates when it's time to replace the filter. We recommend replacing the filter every 3 to 6 months. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe. Recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel to get instant notifications of all future uploads.